Okay, I have this wheel ready to ship back to Mavic for a warranty claim, because after adjusting the tension of the spokes according to the back tool meter, tension meter, and the specification to the maximum, the sound stills there, and it's even more loud than ever. So what I find out is that the spokes are the source of the problem, and this noise is coming right from here. As you can see, this is the sound that the problem is in this spoke. But there are good spokes that they don't make any noise, but then again you find another bad spoke. So probably is the shape of the spoke, or it could be the hub that has some kind of defect that makes the spoke to make this kind of sound. So all the problem is here, not here. Also, there's a lot of drag. If I adjust the preload for the bearing, it's in order to have no play at all. There's lots of drag, and you adjust it, and after 2 or 3 rides it gets loose again, and you have to adjust it again. But now it's at the point that the drag is very, very bad. So that's why I'm sending this back to Mavic. Hopefully they can help me with this. Thank you.